Hello! Welcome back to another episode of MK's Kitchen. It's another pasta night, but tonight we're doing it with the shrimp. We're going to be making the classic Shrimp Alfredo. So let's get into today's ingredients.
So for our ingredients, of course, we have our shrimp. We've already cut them. They're divined and peeled already. We have mushrooms, broccoli, butter, half and half. We're using Bowtie Pasta today. We have a can of Rotel, seasonings, the Creole, and then we have Ragu, roasted garlic Parmesan sauce, and we also have our 6-cheese Italian blend. Cheese that we're going to be using today, we already have our boiler going on. It is just about ready for our pasta to throw in there. We've already got salt and oil in there, and we've also got our skillet going. We're going to get ready to do our shrimp first, and then we'll slowly add in our other ingredients. So y'all, let's get started. Okay, so we have went ahead and put about 2 tablespoons of butter in our skillet for our shrimp. We're gonna let them cook a few minutes on each side until they're a little bit brown. Our pasta is already boiling. We're gonna get that to al dente. So until then, let's get to seasoning our shrimp. We have, of course, black pepper. We have salt. We have some Creole seasoning. Be a little generous with our little Creole. We have some onion powder, garlic powder. We have some paprika, some more color. We're going to do a little bit of our crushed red peppers, give it a little bit more spice. We got some parsley to give it some more color. And then we're going to do, you already know, lemon pepper stepper. My favorite. And we're going to just let that cook. Get all them seasonings going. Ooh, y'all, it smells so good. So yeah, we're just going to let this sit. Yeah, we'll be back to flip them. Y'all, so our shrimp is just about done. We're going to take a little bit of some lemon juice and give that some more citrus flavor. Ooh, y'all hear that? It's a party with the shrimp. It's a party with the shrimp. Okay, shrimp. Okay, shrimp. Okay, pasta. Okay, pasta. Both are just about done. After our shrimp is done, we're gonna put it to the side and we're gonna get started on our mushrooms and our broccoli. Okay, so we placed our shrimp to the side. This is what our skillet is looking like. We're going to add about half a stick of butter. We're gonna let that melt down. And get some of that flavoring from that shrimp. Melt that on down with our butter. So now that our butter is melted, we are going to add in about a cup of our half and half. Stir it around. I'm going to let that simmer for probably a couple minutes. And we're going to get ready to add in our mushrooms and our broccoli and our rotel, and eventually our Alfredo sauce. So our heavy cream and butter simmer a little bit. Let's get to adding these vegetables. Go ahead and add in our Rotel as well. And just stir everything up. Look at the colors. This is also a very healthy-ish dish as well. You got a little broccoli and mushroom with your veggies, little tomatoes from the Rotel, all that. Gonna let this cook for a minute. We're also gonna put some lemon pepper in our vegetables. You can never have too much lemon pepper. At this point, you can also add some more salt and pepper. Season your vegetables if you want to. However you want to do it. Let that cook for a minute. We'll be back. So it has been about 10 minutes that we've let our broccoli and mushrooms simmer. Throughout the course, we've added some more salt and pepper, some parsley. We've added our shrimp back in there, and some more Creole seasoning. And so now we're gonna go ahead and add in our Ragu, roasted garlic parmesan Alfredo sauce. Ooh. Got quiet with this one. We're gonna also add in some of our Italian blend cheese. We're gonna let this cook some more. Well, that's pretty much it, y'all, for this recipe. It's simple, it's easy, it wasn't hard at all. And that's my job, to show y'all how to make some good meals the easy way. So this is our base. We're gonna get ready to add in our pasta. Like I said, we're gonna let that cook some more. Add some more Italian cheese. And y'all, that's the recipe, y'all. That's it. Let me go ahead and get this pasta so we can go ahead and get this little flavor from our vegetables and cheese. I'll be back, y'all. Okay, time to add in our bow tie. Ooh! We're gonna give that a toss. Ooh. Mix it on up so our bow ties can get that flavor. Ooh, y'all. Do you hear it? Do you hear it? Sounds so creamy, so cheesy, so gooey. Ooh, y'all. I cannot wait to eat. Look at all that goodness. Yeah, let's add a bit more cheese. And we're gonna be on our way. That's it, y'all. That's it. I hope y'all enjoyed today's recipe. This has been another episode of MK's Wonderful Kitchen. Y'all have a wonderful day. Enjoy your pasta night with the Shrimp Alfredo. And I hope y'all like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys next time on another episode. Bye.